What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with a review video. I don't do reviews, but I guess you can call this one a review. I am reviewing the new Airbrush Flawless Foundation and also the Airbrush Bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury, y'all. This is how my face is looking, and I want to come back. Excuse my short hair. This is how my face is looking. I am going to come back within 5 to 6 hours to let y'all know how the foundation perform. If I was me, I'll be like, girl, enough of that talking. I want to see what's to these products. If you want to know how it performs, keep on watching this video. What's up, guys? We are back, but we're back with another video, but it's kind of different because I am going over a foundation. Today's new foundations, I was looking for a matte foundation, full coverage as always, but I'm always looking for a foundation that when I put it on, it's flawless. Like, you can't see anything on my face. I don't want anything showing at all. We are going to review the new Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know if it's new. It's probably like a year old or something like that, but fairly new. Charlotte Tilbury foundations. This is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, the Stay All Day and Night Foundation. Okay, so we're gonna test it out. It is currently 7:09 right now. I might be done with my makeup like 8:30 now, but I am going to come back or record it on my phone to let you all know how the foundation and stuff is holding up. At the shades 15 Neutral and 14 Neutral. So 14 Neutral, I tried it on. You can't try anything on because of the pandemic now. So what happened was she swatched 14 Neutral, or swatched different colors on the thing, and we thought 14 Neutral was my color. So I swatched it on my chin, my insert clip. It was too light. However, when it was still on my face, it was flawless, y'all. But it did oxidize. I was like, you know what? I love going dark with my foundation anyway because I always highlight bright. So when I highlight bright and go dark with my foundation, it tends to match with my neck. If that's the case, I can mix both of the shades together if I'm one day or whatever like that. But we're going to try one shade, and that's going to be 15 Neutral. But I want to swatch both of them on. I'll swatch 14 up here, and I'll swatch 15 down below. So y'all know the foundation that I did have, which was this one. I will be returning this one and getting either the concealer from that collection if it turns out good, or just trading this in for something else, because I don't know, I don't really care for this foundation. We're gonna check this out because this might be a new holy grail for me. I just have to try it. All right, so a little specs on this foundation. I did go ahead and put my primer on. I did put Becca Tatcha on the outer perimeters of my face, and I went ahead and put a poreless primer to mattify my pores. Product information, it says it's a flawless filling, an innovative foundation, secret to a flawless, poreless looking, confident complexion. Alright, so I do want that. Y'all know that's everything I want in the foundation. This is a hybrid magic skincare foundation for every occasion. Okay. They got magic ingredients in it. Let's see. So what it says it's supposed to do is a groundbreaking magic foundation to significantly reduce the appearance of wrinkles by up to 22% after 8 weeks of use. So actually, it's supposed to be a skincare, well, not skincare, but like if you keep wearing this within 8 weeks, it's supposed to actually help your skin. Wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles, but don't come, okay? Don't come for me, ho. I don't want it. Number 1, boost of hydration by up to 21 plus 216%. Air cool for instant fresh feel on the skin. It gives you a flawless, poreless looking finish. 95% agree pores look reduced. Alright, y'all know I don't care about that information. I just want to get the foundation, put it on, test it, see how it looks, see how it feels. By the end of the day, if I like it or not. You know what I'm saying? I'm a girl who goes off of put it on. If I like it, it's the new favorite foundation. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at MJ calling me. You like, this bitch don't answer. I'm actually doing tutorial stuff. Alright, y'all, so I wasn't even saying anything because it wasn't recording. However, these bottles are 30 ml and 1.0 fluid ounces. I really don't care if it's the foundation for me. I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna wear it. But if y'all care about it, there y'all go. If y'all need to know any other specs about this foundation, please comment down below and I definitely will answer the question for y'all. But this is how the package looks. It looks just like this. It looks luxury. It's giving me rich bee vibes from this. Y'all, it's just that thing. So I'm already in love with the package and I'm ready to test it. Like I said, I tested it in the car, but I had to go back because I thought it wasn't my shade, but it did oxidize. So just know that if y'all pick it up, it does oxidize. I'm gonna swatch 14 for y'all up here, and then I'll swatch 15 down below. It's drippy, but it's not drippy like that. It's like kind of thick. So
you was really talking about my eyebrows was giving you that rich bitch vibe.
girl, this is giving off like red warm or whatever. So those Sephora lights you really can't see, but that's what this is giving off. But I'm so ready to try. I'm getting excited. Light, that's fine. I'm gearing towards, like I said, I had to go back and I had to get 15, y'all. I'm gearing towards 15. Do y'all see the difference? But I'm telling you, it's going to get darker. But 15, it's looking more my color than 14. Let's just go ahead and put this big boy all over our face. Like, I am so excited. I'm ready to get to it. But oh, watch it. Y'all see that? Like I said, I did prime prior to this. It's flawless though. It is flawless. So I think I'm gonna put 14 in the in the inner parts of my face. Get a shade that's darker, like one shade darker than you. Or if you can find a shade that's like on point, then get that. But I suggest darker if you're going to highlight brighter. The foundation is on, baby. It feels so good. It feels airy. Like, I'm so scared. I'm like super scared because I just don't know if it's gonna look good on pictures. My skin looks flawless. Okay, Charlotte, it just don't feel. I mean, it's a good feeling, but it's weird at the same time because it's so airy. I swear to God, I do not feel this foundation on my face at all, and it's full coverage, but I don't feel it. I don't feel it at all. But it's kind of scary because, like, you know you put something on, but like, damn, I'm gonna forget to take it off. So I'm going in with my tape shape, Tarte tape shape, and Tense in deep and deep Tense in. Oh, it's so airy. Like, me putting that on, y'all, I won't even think that's on my face. Up close. This is how it looks up close, y'all. This is how my eye look up close. This is how everything looks up close. Going with ColourPop, y'all. I would do the rest of my face off camera, but I just want to show you how I apply everything. Highlighted and contoured, y'all. It probably kind of dried a little bit. Let's hurry up and run this out. This concealer dries. You also have to blend because you just don't know how this foundation works with other products. I feel like it's getting sticky or like kind of hard to blend. To reduce pores, I can see, but these are my pores right here. Those are right. I'm about to set my whole face. So if y'all definitely want to know what bronzers I can compare bronzers together. So this is right here the new Airbrush bronzer, refillable bronzer. Y'all, I got the shade 4 Deep, and this is how it looks. Like I said, she coming like luxury with her collection. Okay, this all looks luxury. So right here is the bronzer. Beautiful. It reminds me of Fenty a little bit, but not Mocha Mami, the other one. You can like press that or push it to take this out. This is, how big is this? 24 M. So 16 grams. Be back because I'm gonna do another video for my under eye. So I'm gonna come back when it's time to do my blush and stuff like that. I'll be back when my under eye is done. My favorite blush palette. For highlight, and I know I like to highlight my nail. And not down. So highlight right there. Oh, what should I do for lips, y'all? I'm trying to see about that now. This was a foundation review. I'm not gonna do too much with the lips. I was trying to find a color, but so this is supposed to be Inglot. Not supposed to be. It is. Cold.
Oh.
We got that cold. Y'all gonna be sick.
No, you gonna be sick. Oh, he's on some God. Shit.
I'm about to go take this out of my hand, put on some clothes, and I'm gonna come back. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed this review. Let me know if y'all did, and if y'all did, let me know if y'all want more videos like this one. Have y'all tried Charlotte foundation? If so, what shade are you in? And have you tried the new bronzer? I definitely love this bronzer, y'all. It's so pretty, it's so warm. It's everything. Y'all see it? It's like the camera is giving it justice, but in person it's like, okay, what bronzer you got on? What bronzer you got on, sis? It came out flawless. It's just that I don't know if I wanted to post this eye tutorial because it just feels like the same vibes that I do sometimes, but it really was basically mainly focused on this foundation. Enough of me rambling. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next review video.